Hey guys, Mateo here with Byrider Madison, and I just wanted to show you a day in the life of a sales rep and how my day turned out. As I make my way to my desk, I have to check out our new 2016 Ford Edge and our 2012 Mazda CX-9. When I get myself seated, I turn on my computer and get myself clocked in on time. Boom. Checking any emails or notifications sent over to me, and I go ahead and check my Facebook. What a nice picture. Gotta like that. Making the first call of the day. Let's see where this goes. Hey guys, Adriana is leaving with the vehicle today and just getting her into closing. Hey guys, I just want to congratulate Adriana on her new vehicle. And as we wrap things up today, I just wanted to say thank you for being with me in the day of the life of a sales rep.